Peggy Browning funded me to work for the Labor Board.
The Workers' Rights Panel is comprised of members who strongly support the mission of the Peggy Browning Fund.
So in the city of New Orleans, October 1st, we're planning to go to City Council for them to vote on a local hire ordinance that will increase the percentage of local workers that they're hiring on contracts in New Orleans by 30% and 50% within the next 2 years. And we just drafted a letter to City Council with some of those stats I mentioned before to you. So we're looking forward to them passing a bill that will make sure that local workers are being hired, but also to make sure that local workers are able to get access to apprenticeship programs to have long-term work.
Their mission educates and inspires the next generation of law students to become advocates for workplace justice.
So I've worked as a field attorney for the National Labor Relations Board for the last 6 years out of the New Orleans Regional Field Office. And so I was here to tell the students about what it's like to work out of the field office and what it's like to be an attorney working in labor and employment law.
Okay, and what about the students that weren't law students? What type of message were you trying to give to them?
Well, we're basically talking about different careers in workers' rights in general. With the Labor Relations Board, what we do is we protect people's right to form labor unions, and we enforce the Labor Relations Act, but there's also many other careers that some of the other panelists talked about involving worker organizing that is related to what we do at the Labor Board.
Peggy Browning served our nation and the American people. Anicia Dorsey, SU TV News, Baton Rouge.